Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix search issues on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18. You might find whenever you're searching on certain apps like Photos, Notes, even Calendar, or even just a Spotlight search, it's not working correctly. These are tips you want to follow to fix this. First tip is going to be going into your setting on your iPhone, and from there on, you're going to scroll down to the privacy and security settings. And from there on, you're going to click on location services, and then down here where it says system services, right, you're going to see that option here, and then you're going to go down here to suggested and search option. You're going to turn these toggle off, and then once you turn it off, exit out of your phone and then follow this step here, which is you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do quickly press and release the volume up, the volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that, and keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Now after that, you'll see the Apple logo appear, the phone will reboot. Now this method will not delete any of your data. We're going to go back into that same setting and then turn it back on, and that will go ahead and re-index the phone and fix any sort of search issues you might be experiencing after updating to iOS 18. Now it is very common whenever you update a phone to a major version, it does what's known as indexing. Basically, it has to sort through and create a database for it, so whenever you search on an app, it knows what to display. So in the settings, same exact process. You're going to go into that and then go to privacy and security, click on location services, and then system services, and then again suggestion and search, turn that setting back on, and after that your search should be working again on your iPhone, and I hope it is, and that's all you need to do. Again, if it doesn't work, sometimes it might take a couple hours or even a day before you see it as it's indexing, but after that it should be working. If this video is helpful, please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.